Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we'll explore how to use the Shell GPT to perform SNMP enumeration in Kali Linux. To begin, open your Kali Linux and launch the terminal. Now type the following command: sgpt-shell. Inside double quotes, enter the following prompt. Perform SNMP enumeration on target IP 10.0.2.4 using Nmap and display the result. Press enter. Shell GPT will respond with a script, which is nmap -U-p 161 script equals SNMP-info 10.0.2.4. This command uses UDP port 161, which is the default port for SNMP services. Now type capital E and press enter to execute the command. After a few seconds, the scan result displays Nmap scan report for 10.0.2.4. The output shows UDP port 161 may appear closed, but SNMP service data and the MAC address are still returned. In this case, the MAC address corresponds to a PCS System Technic or Oracle VirtualBox Network Interface Card, or NIC. Next, clear the terminal screen by typing clear and pressing enter. Now type the command sgpt. Inside double quotes type how to scan SNMP on a subnet using Nmap and SNMP walk 10.0.2.4/24. /24 indicates the size of the IP range being scanned. This helps identify active systems within the network. Press enter. Shell GPT will return two scripts. The first is nmap -U-p 161 -open 10.0.2.4/24. This version uses the -open flag to only show hosts with open SNMP ports. The second script is SNMP walk -v2c -c public IP address. Replace IP address with your target system's address. SNMP walk is effective when SNMP services are active and accessible on the network. Once you run the command, the SNMP port may appear open, even if it's filtered, indicating that the service is active on the target device. Copy the first command and paste it in the terminal and press enter. The output shows that port 161 over UDP is marked as open or filtered, indicating that the SNMP service may be active but not fully responding to probes. We can also see a QEMU virtual NIC, which is different from the previous Oracle NIC. This difference is due to using different scanning flags and scripts, which can produce varying levels of detail, even when scanning the same machine. Previously, we used the SNMP info script. This time, we added the open flag to focus only on active ports. Different scan parameters, it can affect both the visibility and depth of the information you receive. And that concludes our demonstration on how to use Shell GPT to perform SNMP enumeration and analyze the results effectively.